To make this cardboard bazooka, you will need to print the template I've provided for the mechanism of this craft. Click the link in the description and look for this post at the website and click the PDF file. With the template at hand, just follow the steps I did to make this Ironman themed bazooka. The power of your bazooka depends on how many rubber bands you put. The more you place, the more powerful your weapon is. However, it will be more difficult to cock the bazooka with so much rubber band as there will be a lot of tension going on. But still, the choice is yours.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody save me of the thing going to do? Going to do? Where's the life I? Where's my shot? Who is this called living? I don't know, I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shot? Who is this called living? I don't know, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me.
assemble everything together, I decided to paint them first. If you're designing your craft, I recommend doing the same thing because coloring the craft just after assembling the parts would be a more difficult task than painting the parts before putting them all together. Testing the mechanism when the piece that was used to be here came off, so I just replaced it with a bottle cap instead.
Look behind me.
Once you've put everything together, you are now ready to shoot with your Ironman bazooka. Although some tasks were tricky, it was still fun creating this machine and I was really impressed with the results. So, if you're planning to make one, just enjoy the entire making and I'm sure that yours will also turn out great. Before ending the video, I hope you've already clicked the subscribe button and as well as the notification bell so you can watch more of my cardboard creations. I make tons of awesome machines, so do join the Yo fam if you like. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Go!